How to use crypto.com DeFi Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us understand what is crypto.com DeFi Wallet. The crypto.com DeFi Wallet is a non-custodial wallet that gives you full control over your private keys, allowing you to securely store your cryptocurrencies, earn rewards via staking and DeFi services, connect to apps like Uniswap and PancakeSwap, and manage NFTs and DeFi tokens. So firstly, go ahead and open your app store and tap on the search bar there and search for crypto.com DeFi Wallet and download the official app. Now, launch the app after downloading and tap on the Create a New Wallet option if you are starting fresh, or import existing wallet to restore an existing wallet. Now, set up your crypto.com DeFi wallet. First, create a wallet. Tap on the Create a New Wallet option and set a secure password required for wallet access and transactions. Next, back up your recovery phrase. The app will display a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down on a paper and keep it secure. Confirm your recovery phrase by re-entering it in the correct order. Next, add cryptocurrencies to your wallet. Tap on the Receive option you see there from the home screen and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, example Bitcoin or Ethereum. Further, copy the wallet address or share the QR code with the sender. Now, wait for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. And to send cryptocurrency, tap on the cryptocurrency you want to send from your wallet and then select the Send option. Further, enter the recipient's wallet address or scan their QR code. Specify the amount to send and confirm the transaction and pay the applicable network fee. And finally, if you want to swap tokens, then tap on the Swap option in the app. Select the token that you want to swap from and to. Enter the amount and confirm the swap. And review the network and fee transactions details before proceeding. And if you want to earn rewards with staking and DeFi, then tap on the Earn option in the app and then choose a supported token for staking, example CRO or Ethereum. Now, follow the prompts to stake your tokens and start earning rewards. So, this was about crypto.com DeFi Wallet tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.